guys, I've had like a crazy day. I've been windblown beyond belief at my kid's soccer game, but I wanted to do an unboxing of the Instant Pot. Now this is the Duo Plus 60, and this pot offers a lot of options in cooking. It's a programmable 9-in-1 multi-cooker, pressure cooker, but it's also a slow cooker, and you can saute in it, and you can make oatmeal in it, you can make yogurt in it, and you can bake in it, and do all kinds of things in it. Easy one-touch controls, it's smart, it remembers the way you cook, and it's healthy. There's a stainless steel insert, not a Teflon coated or non-stick, and 1 year warranty on this, okay? So it has advanced microprocessor technology. Okay, and we'll take a look at what's inside the box. There's 10 safety mechanisms with the Instant Pot. It has an anti-blockage vent, safety indicator and lid lock, leaky lid protection, lid close detection, automatic pressure control, extreme temperature and power protection, pressure regulator protection, excess pressure protection, and an automatic temperature control. So let's take a look at this pot. I actually bought a pot like this for my daughter, who loves it, a few months ago. I remember it might have been for her birthday. Yeah, I think it was for her birthday back in May, and she loves it, uses it all the time for everything. Okay, so inside we have our reference guide. So it's going to show us easily, the following are display messages often seen on the LCD screen. Then we have an Instant Pot recipe booklet. So there's recipes in here from Barbara Sheeving, Chef AJ, Jill Nussenow, Laura Pazagliga, Mom, Time Inc. This is the 4th edition cookbook that's in here. So lots of good recipes in there. Plus, there's Instant Pot groups you can join on Facebook, and there's lots of recipes on YouTube. So then we have another booklet, which is the Instant Pot Duo Series Plus User Manual. I'm going to get you up and running with this, okay? We've got our styrofoam and our power cord and our pot. Okay, so let's take this out, and you'll see we've got the pot right here. Warning, hot steam. This is your steam release back here. You have to do a hot water test first. You unlock the lid, should be a little too in that place. And then inside we have some utensils. And this is to collect moisture. It's on right, actually slides right in there in the back. And this is a little measuring cup. And then we have, this is about the pay attention to the warning labels, important when using, and do the initial run test. Fill the inner pot with 3 cups of water using the plastic measuring cup provided. See manual for, you have to do a water test before you cook in, any electric pressure cooker. Then you have the little grill, whatever. Nothing's name is escaping me right now. And then you've got, this is the 6 quart. So you've got your nice stainless steel, and it's marked on the inside. says max right here. And then there's a half line. And then the inside, and there's another warning that we have to do the hot water test. Looks like that, okay? And on this side, we have all of our touch controls down here. This pot we'll put in just like that. And we can use this if we want to put either meat on top of that or put it on top of something else that's cooking on the bottom. And this will let us do that. And they have silicone gaskets here, which you can get different. Another one if you cook savory and sweet foods, sometimes the gaskets, you want to use different ones. When you put the lid on, a tune will play to let you know that it's locked on securely, and you'll see it in the display. It's got nice rubber feet so it doesn't skid on the counter. It plugs in right here. 3 prongs. And you just put it in right like that. And you can take it out and you put it away. So they have a nice heavy duty cord. I'm going to show you more on the cooker in a little bit. I just wanted to bring that to you so that you can see all that. Let me know what you think. I can't wait to bring you more on the Instant Pot. Bye now.